Hi guys, I just want to show you real quickly how to install the Monstroid theme into WordPress. What I've done is created a directory on one of my sites called Monstroid and installed WordPress in that directory. Now I want to install the Monstroid theme. The first thing I did was I went into plugins and I added a new plugin, and that's called the Monstroid Wizard. All I did was upload that into here and I activated it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into we're going to install the theme. We're going to go to Tools, Monstroid Wizard. It says enter the activation key. So I've got to go and grab my activation key. We'll copy that. And we'll come over here and paste. Start. Okay, it's wanting me to select either the main Monstroid theme or one of the child themes that come with it. So I want to install the main Monstroid theme. So I click that, and I just wait for it to go through and do its little thing. This particular theme is just packed with features. Notice it comes with WooCommerce and all this. Now it wants me to install the sample content, and most of the time you'll just install it from the cloud. So I'm going to install the sample content from the cloud. Okay, continue, and let it do its thing. We are hosting this website on Liquid Web. They're only one of the very best, in my opinion, one of the very best web hosting companies out there. Their tech support is second to none. If you have any questions, any problems, they're always right there 24/7 to fix any issue you have. So I highly recommend Liquid Web. If you want to do me a favor, let's just take a little brief side trip here. Just go to my website, ncwebpros.com. Okay, go to resources. Go to our partners. It won't cost you any more to do this, but it gives me a little bit of credit. And just click on Liquid Web. Click on Liquid Web. There you go. And just select whatever product or solution that you're looking for web hosting or dedicated servers, VPS servers, whatever you need, they got it. All right, let's go back and check on Monstroid. It's still uploading content. Here we go. Simple as that. That's all you have to do. So now let's go view our site. And there it is. Simple as that. It's in the. I put it on my website in the subdirectory of Monstroid, and this is one of the best themes that's going on right now. I mean, it's just so jam-packed with features. It's unbelievable. So I highly recommend it. Can't wait to get in here and play with it and create our first site with it.